Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something super cool to talk about. A smartwatch for kids that's way more than just a watch. Say hello to the Ace LTE. Now you might be thinking, a kid's smartwatch? Isn't that just a fancy GPS tracker? Well, not this one. The Ace LTE is like strapping a mini game console to your kid's wrist. That also nudges them to be physically active. Here's the genius part. Instead of interval training, we've got interval gaming. Your kid plays games, and then the watch prompts them to move around and add to their step count to unlock more playtime. It's a win-win! And check this out. There's an adorable virtual buddy called Eejie living in the watch. Think Tamagotchi meets Animal Crossing. You can buy Eejie all sorts of in-game goodies like items, rooms, and outfits. But here's the twist. You don't spend real money. Your kid earns arcade tickets by hitting daily goals or playing games, and that's their currency. The games are powered by the Unity engine, which means they look and play great. There's even a fishing game called Smoky Lake, where your hand acts like a fishing pole and it vibrates when you catch something. How cool is that? Parents, don't worry, there's a school time mode to keep the gaming in check during class hours. So no sneaky gameplay during math class. Now, let's dive into the tech specs. The Ace LTE shares a lot with the Pixel Watch 2. It's got a Snapdragon W5 and Qualcomm 5100 chip, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, and a fast-charging circular pin-based charger. Plus, it's got 4G LTE, GPS, and NFC for payments. Though NFC payment is coming soon. It's also water-resistant up to 50 meters and has a battery life of over 16 hours. The display is tough as nails with Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and there's a free bumper included for extra protection. Oh, and you can enable the always-on display in the settings, but no Play Store or third-party apps here. It's all kid-friendly. Now let's talk price. Given all these features, you'd expect a hefty tag, right? You would be right. The Ace LTE is priced at $229.95 plus a subscription. You can pre-order it now on the Google Store and Amazon, with general availability starting June 5th. And here's a sweet deal. From now until August 31st, you can get a 50% discount on the Fitbit Ace Pass and a free band. Normally, it's $119.99 per year, or $9.99 a month for LTE services, BitValley, and Fitbit arcade games. But if you grab the annual plan before August 31st, you'll save 50% on the subscription cost. So, what do you think? Ready to level up your kid's wrist game with the Ace LTE? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.